This is Mikey, I guess getting ready for bed. Calvin, where do you go?
Oh, he's under that blanket sleeping.
Is he under the blanket sleeping?
Oh, wait.
Where's Mikey?
Don't take off.
Don't take it off?
Because he's sleeping.
Oh, okay.
Don't touch him, okay?
Don't touch him? Okay. What about over here? Can we look under here?
Yeah.
There he is.
Don't touch him.
So, I don't know, you tell me, where am I going to sleep tonight?
Oh.
Where am I going to sleep, Calvin?
Oh, I don't know.
You don't know?
Oh, I can't sleep tonight.
We can't sleep in here, there's no room.
Oh, no.
What are we going to do?
Oh, let's take the blanket off of him.
Okay, go ahead. I don't think he's going to be very happy. No, he won't hurt you. God, Mikey is so big. Oh, there he is!
I see.
There's Mikey!
See, Mommy did give me.